Facing a critical Windows failure due to the IIS Admin Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's implement the official repair path today. Before the walkthrough for IIS Admin Library, note that a diagnostic resource for reviewing system references is linked below. This is the IIS Admin Library, the Internet Information Services IIS Admin Library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of the IIS metabase and configuration. It facilitates the data link between administrative tools and the localized web server kernel manifests. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scannow. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as IIS Admin Library DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the IIS Admin Library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for IIS Admin Library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with IIS Admin Library and PC Health. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved IIS Admin Library error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.